We're calling the project Connect Talbot. And the reason for that is there are about 3,600 homes, give or take, in the county that are currently unserved with access to broadband speeds for internet. And even prior to the pandemic, a partnership with the county had been struck. And we were awarded just last year a grant from the United States Department of Agriculture to provide service to about 2/3 of those unserved customers in the county. And it's a really mammoth project. Dave, it was probably about 5, 6, 7 years ago that a rural broadband task force was created. It was led by the Department of Housing and Community Development through the Office of Rural Broadband, run by Rick Gordon, and Senator Addie Eckert and Delegate Johnny Mounts and many others were involved on that task force. Our President and CEO, Hugh Grunden, was involved, and it really was his vision of pulling these partnerships together to make these types of projects happen to solve the rural broadband issue. And then subsequent to that task force, Talbot County put out an RFI, and they were looking for a partner to solve the rural broadband problem in Talbot County. And I mentioned earlier, we talked to our commission. We got the support of the mayor and the town council. We entered into a response to that RFI and were selected by Talbot County, and then moved forward with finding programs where we could solve that problem with the county as a partner. And the first program we found was the USDA Reconnect program. But it really took support from all of the customers who wrote letters to support the application, all of the political stakeholders, not only Senator Eckert and Delegate Mounts, but Delegate Chris Adams on our Eastern Shore delegation, and then even our federal delegation with Congressman Harris and Senators Cardin and Van Hollen, and then certainly working together with USDA. They've been a great partner with us. And with all of them coming together to support helping solve this problem in Talbot County, I think we've really set a great example for how this can be done. I do believe more funding will come from future government programs, and that in partnership with local jurisdictions and state programs and support from customers, as well as support for affordability for customers, is the way this public-private partnership package that we have with our current project, which is one of the very early broadband-funded grant programs from the USDA. I think that set the stage and the example for all of these future programs we're going to see in the future, that it sort of takes that entire partnership to make a project like this happen.
So